Hello, traders and viewers. My name is Trey Hampton. Most people call me Trey or know me by Trey. And this message is being brought to you by the Harmonic Trading Club. It's been a long time coming. This is something I've wanted to do for a very long time, but I kept putting it off, making excuses, waiting for the right time. But then I remembered there's never a right time. The right time is always now. And that's why I'm making this video to talk about what's coming. I can't wait around until I become a YouTube professional or a professional content creator, or until my videos have the highest level of quality or all the special effects that keep an online audience engaged. I can't wait for that. I have to do this now. I have to I have to provide the information that I want to provide to the community now. I feel that the things that I hold dear to my heart about this industry and the passion I have for it can really help some of the traders out there who haven't quite figured out a system, a style that works for them, something that's easy, something that they can just execute on. A lot of the stuff that they see out there is very convoluted, maybe too technical, or those who haven't come across the right mentor, and then sometimes they have challenges when looking for mentorship because there's these absorbent amount in fees and charges. They can't even afford them. For, these mentorships and this training, they can't afford them. So I wanted to come and do something about that. So what I'll be doing is producing and recording an entire brain dump of what I know about the system of structure analysis. This will include everything from the basics in the beginnings, like reading a price chart and just determining trend, bullish, bearish, or sideways consolidation, and then going on to other common, well-known trading techniques like double tops and double bottoms. Then we'll get more and more into some of the more advanced stuff like identifying the 2618 technique and just the different tools you need. Advanced Fibonacci, like understanding the major and minor levels, Fibonacci retracements and extensions, and then we'll get into the advanced patterns, because I know that that's what everybody's really going to be there for. They really want to have those advanced patterns down at some point, and you will. I'm going to make sure to it. I'm going to see to it that you will. That when you look at the charts, the same way you're looking at the screen, you're able to identify the patterns as they appear. Because as you've heard me say before, the market continues to create advanced patterns over and over and over, whether you like it, hate it, understand it or not. It's just the way the market moves. This is Bitcoin, what you see right here on the chart. That's not happening for no reason. This was that was a weekend, a couple of weeks ago, and Bitcoin was just consolidating, and it did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it kept going. That was 7 advanced patterns. First one is looks like there's a cipher first, then there's that big garly, then there's a blue cipher at the bottom, then there's that red garly, green cipher, blue garly, over and over. And this is just an example. You're going to be amazed when you find out all the instruments do that, whether they're in the stock market, everything in the stock market, everything in the Forex market, everything in the crypto market. And what I'm going to teach and put out there is not only about advanced pattern recognition. That's just the bonus. But everything else that I'm going to talk about is going to have a whole lot of benefit to a trader. Like I said, a trader that doesn't really have a system to go off of. A trader that's just been just in flight, just trying to find something to grasp onto. And like I said, paying mentor after mentor and guru after guru. We want to put an end to that. And I got something to give you that I think is going to help you. All right. So again, this is Trey coming to you from the Harmonic Trading Club. That whole entire library is going to be the Harmonic Trading Academy, and you'll see the first video coming out soon. I wanted to add one more thing. It's going to be a lot of content. It's going to take a while to get there, to get the whole entire library built out. But like I said, it's going to be the complete structure analysis system from end to end. So when a video comes out, I'm not going to be able to just come back and just shoot a video, the next video the next day. The trader's going to need time to allow the videos to, they're going to have time. They're going to need time to absorb the video and the knowledge and information and to put it in practice for some of the beginner traders. And also for the YouTube algorithm, it's going to need time to kind of like put that out. So I can't just like churn them out like every 2 or 3 days. I'm going to have to let them kind of like burn into the algorithm, so that I'm not putting the videos out too soon. Plus, the entire library, it's kind of like a 12-week type of thing anyway. So it'll probably be one video a week. It'll probably be one video every 7 days. And I think every Sunday is when I'll release the video. A lot of people be home, maybe taking a day off of sports, football, basketball, etc. And that might be a good time for them to get their studies in. So then that way, if I do one every week, every 7 days, then it'll be 12 weeks. By that time, the whole entire content library will be produced and set out free to the world for the traders who would love to understand, especially something as nice as advanced pattern recognition, to learn it, catch on, and then start to apply it. So with that being said, I will see you once we're live with the first video. Until then, you guys be safe in the market. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you when we get back.